Amazon promo code, Amazon coupon code, Amazon discounts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a lot of money and get, a bunch of bargains and discounts and ultimately just save a bunch of money when buying on stuff on Amazon, okay? And all you guys have to do, again, I'm going to leave links down below to all the resources we discussed in today's video. So to make sure you actually activate the discount, just simply click the links down below and you'll activate the discount so you can save a bunch of money. And the first link down below, I'm going to leave it in the video description, is going to be to their deals and promotions page. And this will allow you to basically, save a bunch of money. So as you can see, again, there's 5 other more links down below as well, which we'll cover in today's video. But this is just the first one, by the way. And the first, Amazon, deals or like discounts or promotions, you can even like consider it to be a coupon code or promo code, because at the end of the day, you're saving a bunch of money anyway. So again, this is just one of the links, but anyway, you can see, shop today's deals, lightning deals, and limited time discounts. And basically you can sort, these deals and discounts right here through different departments, different like deal types, whether it's deal of the day, lightning deals, savings and sales, and Prime early access deals as well, which we'll cover in today's video as well. Deals under $25, 25 to 50, discounts as well, 70% off discount or more, which is insane. So that's the first link, guys. Again, I'll leave a link down below to the deals and promotions page, and I'll always, by the way, update the video descriptions in the video description if there's any other like promo codes, discounts, so you can always be up to date regardless of when you're watching this video with the Amazon promo codes, coupon codes, and discounts. Okay. Now the second link right here is going to be their discounts page. So this is going to be Amazon's discount page right here, where you can save a bunch of money. So as you can see, under $10 deals, bestseller deals, home furniture, electronics, beauty, clothing, automotive, etc. Okay, and these are basically the discounts page. So today's deals, coupons, again, you can basically find a bunch of coupons right here as well. At the time of making this video, these are the coupons. Again, I'll leave a link down below to this page as well, to the coupons page, because again, like I promised in today's video, I'm obviously helping you get some coupon codes for Amazon and helping you save a bunch of money, as well as some promo codes. And I'm going to be always updating the video description down below, whenever you're watching this video, to make sure you get the best discounts at any time throughout any year. Okay. So if we go over here, if you want to actually get Amazon Prime, if you click the link down below, you can actually get it for free and try Prime for free, which is pretty cool. Obviously, with Prime, you actually save, get some like exclusive features as well, like free delivery as fast as today, and exclusive deals just for you, grocery delivery with Prime, savings for the family, and a bunch of other stuff as well. Now, if you're a student, you can also actually get Prime and get it, have it like a 6-month trial, which is insane, and actually get a bit of a discount as well, and pay a lot less, to other people who have to pay for Amazon Prime. And even for normal Amazon Prime, it's still an amazing deal. But for student Prime, you get a much more bigger discount. If you want some deals, promotions, and save like a bunch of money, on Amazon's deals, you can come to this link, which I'll leave a link down below in the video description. Amazon's coupon codes and promo codes and stuff as well, right here as well, we can save a bunch of money. So you can save money like right here and right here. Obviously, I'll leave some other links down below as well in the video description that we haven't obviously had time to talk about in today's video. You can also get Amazon Prime and join Prime student as well, and try it out and actually get it for free for a little bit. Time making this video, you can actually try it out and obviously get it for free for a little bit, so you can actually see if it's going to be good for you. That's how you get an Amazon coupon code, Amazon promo code, and Amazon discount in today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, all you have to do is just simply click links down below to get those Amazon coupon codes and promo codes and discounts. And yeah, thanks for watching.